In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to deploy a GitHub project on Vercel. We'll walk through the full process from connecting your account to getting your project live on the web. If you already have your code pushed to GitHub, this setup is usually very quick, and Vercel is designed to make deployment as simple as possible. To begin, go to the official Vercel signup page or open your Vercel dashboard if you already have an account. This is where you'll manage your projects, deployments, and connected repositories. If you're new to Vercel, you'll start by creating or accessing your account from this page. Once you're there, click the option to continue with GitHub. This allows Vercel to connect directly to your GitHub account so it can see the repositories you want to deploy. After that, you'll be asked to authorize Vercel to access your GitHub profile. This permission is necessary because Vercel needs access in order to import your project and automate future deployments. Just review the access request carefully and approve it to continue. After your account is connected, you'll arrive on the Vercel dashboard. From here, click the Add New button in the top right corner and then choose Project. This opens the project import flow, which is where you select the GitHub repository you want to deploy. At this stage, you'll see a list of your connected Git repositories. Take a moment to find the project you want to publish. If you have many repositories, it helps to double check the repository name so you import the correct one. Once you locate your target repository, click Import. Next, Vercel will take you to the project configuration screen. This is where you review and configure your project settings before deployment. Depending on the type of app you're deploying, Vercel may automatically detect the framework and apply recommended settings. Even so, it's a good idea to quickly review everything, especially the project name, build settings, and any environment-related configuration your app might require. When everything looks right, go ahead and deploy the project. Vercel will begin building your application and publishing it online. After the deployment finishes, you'll be able to open the live site and confirm that everything is working as expected. If something doesn't look right, the deployment page can help you identify build or configuration issues. One of the biggest advantages of using Vercel is automatic continuous deployment. Once your GitHub repository is connected, future changes pushed to that repository can automatically trigger new deployments. That means your workflow becomes much faster and more reliable, since updating your live site can be as simple as pushing new code to GitHub. And that's how to deploy a GitHub project on Vercel.